Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can play CS2 on Roblox, so let's get started. First, open Roblox and sign into your account. After logging in, click on the search bar and type CS2. You will see several different games inspired by Counter-Strike 2. One of the most popular options is Counter-Blocks, which offers gameplay similar to CS2. Click on the game and press the play button. If Roblox is not installed on your computer, you will be prompted to download and install the Roblox launcher. Complete the installation process and sign back in to your Roblox account if necessary. Once everything is set up, launch the game and join a server. You can select a competitive or unranked match depending on what is available. After joining, choose your team and start playing on maps that are inspired by classic Counter-Strike locations. The game includes team-based combat, different weapons, and competitive gameplay that feels similar to CS2. If you want the closest CS2 style experience on Roblox, Counter-Blocks is a great game to try. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.